In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print AutoCAD drawing in A4 paper. By the end, you'll feel confident turning your on-screen drawing into a clean, professional A4 hard copy or PDF without guesswork. First, open the plot window. The quickest way is to type plot in the command line and press enter. This brings up the central hub for everything related to printing. If the dialog doesn't appear, make sure command prompts are visible at the bottom of your screen and that no other dialog is hiding behind your drawing window. Next, choose your printer. In the Printer Plotter section, open the Name drop-down and pick the device you want to use. This can be a physical printer connected to your network or a virtual PDF driver if you prefer a digital file. Choosing the right device here ensures AutoCAD uses that printer's margins and capabilities, so you get predictable results on paper. Now, set your page size to A4. In the Paper Size drop-down, select the A4 option, typically labeled 210 by 297 millimeters. If you see multiple A4 entries, pick the standard ISO A4. This locks your print area to the correct international size and helps avoid clipping or unexpected scaling. Then, select the extents of the drawing you want to print. In the plot area settings, choose Extents. This tells AutoCAD to gather everything in your drawing that has geometry and fit it into the printable area of the page. Before you do this, it's a good idea to make sure there aren't stray objects far from your main design, as extents will include them. Cleaning up or isolating relevant layers beforehand helps produce a neatly centered result. Set the printing quality and colors. Under Plot Style or Color Settings, choose how you want your lines to appear. If you need a clean black and white output, select a monochrome plot style, so colored layers print as solid black while respecting line weights. If color is important, use a color plot style so your layers keep their hues. For quality, pick a suitable resolution or vector output option that matches how detailed your drawing is. Higher quality improves line sharpness, especially for PDFs and small text, but may take a bit longer to process. Finally, click OK to print it. If you selected a physical printer, your job will spool and begin printing. If you chose a PDF device, you'll be prompted to name and save the file. Give it a clear file name and location so you can find it quickly. That's all. You've successfully printed your AutoCAD drawing on A4 with the right device, size, extents, and visual settings for a crisp, professional result.